delegation event model, how are we going to do the implementation? So what you do, implement the appropriate interface in the listener so that it will receive the type of event desired. So what we saw about the listener interface, for listener interface, we have so many methods. Say for example, the mouse listener interface has this many methods. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write implementation for all these methods. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to write implementation for all these methods. Okay, so that is the first step. Okay, so what I do, I will be then implement the code to register and unregister. What is the next step? We have to, first you will write implementation, okay, and the second step you have to register the listener. So what is the meaning? As I told you earlier, how many listeners are there? There are many listeners available. But if I want to use it for the program, so if you want to, okay, if you want to use for the program, okay, program, you have to register. That is an important step. So what I have to do, I have to register the listeners. So for that, what will I do? I will use add. So we will see that in detail. So you remember, for a mouse listener, how many methods are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 methods are there for my mouse listener interface. So we'll see this with respect to a program. So I have written most of the things. So what we have, import java.event.star, and then I have an applet. Okay, applet is here. Yeah. So now my own program, my public class mouse applet, it is extending the applet. And what it is going to do, it is implements mouse listener. Okay, what is it going to do? It is going to implement the mouse listener. So for the mouse listener, what are the methods you have? Mouse click. Okay, this is one method. Okay, mouse click. How many methods we saw there earlier? We saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 methods. So 5 methods should be there. So mouse click is one method. Okay, so I will put it here itself. Okay, so I will use it here. This is one method, mouse click. This is the second method. Okay, this is the mouse entered, then mouse exited, then mouse pressed, then mouse released. So all the methods should be implemented here. Okay, and as I told you, for any to draw it, we have to use g.drawString. Okay, we will see. Okay, okay. So okay, now we will see this one. So how I'm going to do? First step, what did I tell? Implement, correct? First step is implementing. Second step is registering the interface. So implementing only we are seeing. We are seeing all the methods should be implemented. So you have to write a code for that. So when I write a code, when the mouse is clicked, I simply give a message, mouse is clicked. Okay, mouse clicked. Okay, just a message just to know that it is clicked. That's it. Okay, so the message will be displayed here. What operation I did. That's it. Okay, and to keep on repainting, if you don't write repaint here, it will be overlapping. That is why this repaint. Okay. Okay, again and again, because I'll be pressed, mouse click, mouse entered, mouse exited, mouse pressed, mouse released. Okay. So now, now the next step is, what is it? Message is equal to mouse is entered. Same thing, I'm going to write just a message, what wants to be displayed. So what is this? Mouse entered, I have to give. Okay. Okay. So similarly, okay, for the mouse exited also, I'll give a message. What is that message? I'll give message is equal to, I will write mouse exited. Okay. And then mouse pressed. Okay, so semicolon here. The next one, the same thing I'm going to write. What I will write, I'll just copy this fully and put it here. The only thing I'm going to change is what? Mouse pressed. Okay, and the next thing what I'll do, it is mouse released. Okay. Okay, simple. So what is the first step? As I told you, implementation is the first step. I have implemented all the methods. Okay, whichever. What's the second step? Register the listener. What I have to register? I have to register the listener. What is the listener here? The listener is mouse listener. So I have to register the listener. What is the listener? How to register the listener? This is how I will register the listener. Okay. This is register the listener. So how do I register the listener? We use add. That's it. Add and the listener. So for registering, you just to keep in mind how to register it. I use add, and whichever listener you want to register, I will put it here. Okay. Here I put this because I'm going to call this one, this listener. Okay. So this much is your program. Very simple. It is. We have made it. So what I have done, I've created my own class applet, extends applet, implements mouse listener. Okay, this mouse listener only I'm going to implement. Okay, now let's see the output of this program. So the simple program where I just show you the output. So see here, mouse click, okay, and now if I, okay, so this is the simple output of the program. So now, see here, this is an output of the first program. Okay. So now 1 minute.